Welcome back to the Sam and Jeb YouTube channel. As you can tell from our intro, this is not Sam and Jeb show. This is Sam and Jeb park reviews.
Hi, I'm trying to get up there very hard. Bibbly bobbly.
Okay. Go on then.
Okay. I might pull down just.
Go on, Jeb. Jeb's a fireman.
Oh my god! That's so scary! I'm gonna go on the slide.
Oh, he's going to go on the slide. Anyway, we're here at the Beefeater pub and grill.
This will be.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe don't sit on that.
Oh yeah, he's skiing. Oh my god. Should I do that again?
No.
Yes!
Jeb.
No, but this time jumping.
Yeah, but you can't. You'll fall over and hurt yourself. See? You've already hurt yourself, haven't you?
Okay, this is just...
A little pointless, isn't it?
Yay!
Why don't you go down the pole again? No, that's the wrong side, isn't it?
Oh.
You gotta try to go up the ladder again. And I'll go up the stairs and then video you from up here.
So, it's a bit scary going down the pole. Go like...
Yeah?
So I was a little bit scared. It will well be fine and scary.
Go on, Jeb.
What? That was so scary. Oh, shall I do one? So I jump off about here.
Yeah,
and there.
go for it. So yeah, this is the Beefeater pub and grill in...
And guys,
I don't really know.
this is
Godalming?
so cool because I can jump down from our climbing through up to 100 meters. How good is that?
Yeah, but you can't.
If I can.
Yeah, but 100 meters, that's really tall.
100 meters.
You'd be super splattered.
Why?
Because it's 100 meters. Like, I'm like 2 meters.
And Jeb's 100 meters.
No, Jeb's not 100 meters. Jeb's like 1 meter. That's 100 times your height. You'd be splattered like a fish. Go on, Jeb. Try the other things. What are the other things? Behind you.
Oh.
Yeah, give that a go.
Oh my god!
Go on, Jeb.
Yeah!
God, that's actually
Yeah!
further back than I thought. You gonna try the other one as well?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go on, Jeb.
Okay. I don't know which way I'm...
It's a chair.
Okay. Yahoo!
No, a chair. You have to sit in it, Muppet. There you go. There you go.
Ava! Why am I going backwards?
So yeah, I'm not 100% sure about this. I mean, obviously, it's attached to a pub. There's a river there, so it's quite pretty. Yeah, we're doing a park review, aren't we? So yeah, I mean, it's an alright park, but it's definitely not our best park we've been to. Jeb, what do you think of this park? Bit rubbish.
Bit rubbish because you know the part with the outside. Yeah, that's really good. Climb up here. Here's where it's on. Red, yellow against
Right.
redder.
And then, what would you give this score out of 10?
1,000.
No. No, that would make it the best one we've been to. Try again.
1.
1. 1 out of 10. Okay. That's good.
Okay,
Except
horse
it's not.
racing, good. I got Jamie against Samson. Give me a pussy! Yeah!